So overall, what am I going to say about this quick unboxing so far? Looks like the charging is pretty straightforward. The setup is super easy. All you got to do is attach the landing gear. It has a very good charger apart from this thing here. That looks a little bit flimsy, but the remote I'm liking because it's nice and sturdy and simple to use, and has these extra buttons on here which I don't know what they do, but I have a pretty good feeling that this is going to be a pretty easy bird to fly, similar to the 787 from Volantix, and similar to, well, a little bit, obviously a little bit more expensive than the Baby RC QF002, but yeah, it should be pretty easy and stable in the air. And I noticed that when they have the dual engines like this, they tend to be more stable than the ones that have a single engine in the middle. So Hobby Zone, get your act together. If you're going to sell a plane that is super cheap, make sure that it has all the qualities that you need. Not to crash it like the Aero Scout Mini. Thanks for watching.